The next 3D object we're looking at is of an anomaly I discovered at a site north of Ulyxis Rupes in Terra Cimmeria. Lovely Miss Michelle joins us again for this one.
Hello everyone.
Right, let's have a look at the original material and then I'll show you what I think we might be looking at, my impression of what that anomaly might be. Monitoring dust devil tracks in Terra Cimmeria. This photograph was acquired on the 29th of October 2020 at a high res of 24.8 centimeters per pixel. There's a look at an image of the area in the low res black and white. You can see these tracks that these weird dust devils on Mars leave on the surface. Right, so the site's located over there, folks, at roughly 65 degrees, 0 minutes south, 157 degrees, 50 minutes east. Right, so there it is. We're zooming in on the object in the center of the screen there, and it's about 8 meters in length. Check out the strange geometry and symmetry to the shape. Yeah, I've rotated it anti-clockwise. You've got this strange disc part at the back and then this rounded part slightly covered when bedded in the sand with this part sticking out. It's also got this raised area ridge line running along the center line there. And there's a look at my interpretation of that object. Of course, here it is, totally in pristine condition, 8 meters in length. And there's a look at the top-down view of the object as photographed by the Mars Reconnaissance orbiter. Now, what could this be? Doesn't look like a typical boulder or rock. Definitely two unique shapes that seem to be attached to one another with that ridge running through the center. To me it looks like some type of mechanical object. Could it be some type of craft? And there it is, side view. The astronauts are approximately 2 meters tall. It gives an idea of how big this object is. And it's about meter and a half out of the surface, sticking out above the surface from the shadow length. So what are we looking at here? Let's have a look at the anomaly in the photograph as seen in Google Earth Mars. Heading down to Terra Cimmeria, to that site near Ulyxis Rupes. Here's a look at the other anomalies that are discovered with that strange object. We've got a hole there in the surface, and it looks like these parts might have covered that hole. Very interesting. We've got this block, check that out, very symmetrical, with a smaller object right there in the center. A lot of these objects look like they might be sheet metal or paneling, sculpted pieces, very neatly sculpted. Check out that piece as well. Looks like an art form of sorts. And then we have this one. Could it be a craft, a sculpture of some kind? How neatly that has been sculpted as well. Looks like it's been machined. The age-old question, are we looking at an intelligently designed and manufactured object, or is it just an object formed through a process in nature? Let me know in the comments below what you think of this one. I'm getting closer to having enough 3D models now to build a new level in my game Mars Explorer. Take care everyone, we'll see you in the next one soon. Ciao for now.